what would not be considered Sharia compliant?
The very first thing to look at is the industry that something's in. That's
Yeah.
quite simple. I think a lot of people can understand that. Tobacco, gambling,
Yeah, weapons manufacturers, alcohol companies,
pork industry is also...
adult entertainment.
Yeah.
Things that are genuinely not good for society.
Yeah.
Are kind of ruled out at the first.
Yeah.
That's it at a very basic level. And then it starts to get a little bit more complicated in the fact that, you know, even if a company does operate in a halal sector, it still may not be halal to invest into.
Yeah.
And why is that? Well, the financial ratios might be a bit out. It might have too much debt.
Yeah.
It might make a bit of money from impermissible sources. Classic example is Tesco. Tesco is a company which sells stuff. A lot of it is fine. I mean, lots of people shop at Tesco or Sainsbury's. But at the same time, they sell alcohol.
Okay.
They sell cigarettes. Does that make it okay or does it not make it okay? And this is when you start to have to explain to people that if a company makes a little bit of revenue
Yeah.
from impermissible sources, it's still okay. If you want to find the information, it's out there. There's
Yeah.
hours and hours long of videos and content and stuff that's out there that explains it very clearly. And you're not going to find it in the Quran. You're not going to find it in Hadith. It's something which is said by some of the shuyukh now to make it accessible for Muslims to invest in a diversified way. And the 5% rule isn't even like hard-coded 5%. It depends kind of on the market that you're looking at in a way to allow you to invest in a diversified way. And if there were enough companies for Muslims to invest into that didn't have any income from any impermissible sources, then that 5% rule wouldn't even exist.
A quick shout to thank our sponsors for this episode, PensionBee. As a leading online pension provider, PensionBee is on a mission to build pension confidence and create a world where everyone can enjoy a happy retirement.